I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.
And if somebody hurts you, I wanna fight. My hands been broken one too many times. I use my voice, I'll be so fucking rude. Was they always win? I know I lose, and I sing a song that'll be just us. I sang them all, tune of the heart. I wanna cry, I wanna learn to love.
Yeah, now guys, I'm currently hearing voices in my head. And I did write this note when I was in the special force. As you can see, I'm all camoed up. Yeah, I did write this when I was undergoing special force training, okay, which I later dropped out. You can go watch the video. I would put the link in the description, okay. So yeah, there it goes. Currently I'm hearing voices, but I am trying to console myself by listening to Billie Eilish. You are very heartless, overcoded, you are without, you are out, play your comedy. You are talented, you are very ruthless, you are a stupid boy, aeroplane, powerful president. That boy is wicked, that boy is a wicked president. Our president, you are too talented, you are the one, I know, you are under arrest, I don't want. Again, he's too wicked, you are very intelligent, 100%. He loves that Billie Eilish, he likes Billie Eilish. Cry. He's always waking up. He's already waking up. Pray for me. Blood of Jesus. You're a man. Shut up. You're too smart. You're a fool. Play devil. You're too smart. You're a bad actor. Go away. That's why I love this boy. Fool. He's too strong. This boy is strong. Of course. He's very wicked. He's playing with us. He's playing with destinies. Play devil. He's challenging me. I heard this one in a female voice. I heard this current one in a feminine voice. He's challenging me. Okay, he's just like Billie Eilish. He just likes Billie Eilish. Forget her. It's not my business. I don't want again. He's a man. He's heartless. He's very heartless. I don't love that confidence. You are a greedy boy. Shut up. It's your turn. We are so sorry. You are out. You are illegal. Yeah, we get your point. You are a stupid president. You are a goat. I am interested. He's very ruthless. Bastard money. Illegal money. At your age. Illegal you. I am interested in you. He's a very powerful kid. He's very loving. Greedy person. I swear I'm not the one for you. You are strong. You're waking up. Mwah. Mwah. Motherfucker. You're waking up. Congratulations. Congratulations. I'm ashamed of you. He's a wonder kid. Okay, get out. He's very powerful. His penis erected. Right on. Better. I am interested in you. He's so loyal. You're too loyal. He's already crying. At your age. Shut up. You failed. Imperfect. I heard that in a screaming voice. Imperfect. I like this boy. He's wayward. He's illegal. No way. You're illegal. He's very ruthless. Greedy man. You're not a loser. Vampire, you fall. He's a very powerful kid. Don't cry again. He's already crying. He's waking up. Don't fear. You're a bad artist. Hello? Allow. That boy is very strict. He's over wicked. He's the one. Show your appreciation. We know. He's very loaded. He has completed the mission. Don't cry. Don't come back again. Illegal you. Very coded. He's very tired. You're very ruthless. You're crying. Very perfect. Anyways, so yeah, I don't give a shit. I don't give a flying fuck. Whatever the fuck voices on my fucking head, I don't give a flying fuck. Okay? So yeah, my ads start, and after my ads, you get to watch the final outro. So yeah, my ads, go buy my product. Go buy my product. Buy my product. So yeah, go to the link in the description and buy my products, okay? Alright, the ad starts in 3, 2, 1.
I am extremely rich. I am extremely wealthy right now. I absolutely love being a trillionaire. I have $1 trillion now in my bank account. I can see on my bank statement that there is now $1 trillion. I am extremely extremely rich. I am extremely wealthy right now. I absolutely love being a trillionaire. I have $1 trillion now in my bank account. I can see on my bank statement that there is now
Billy, I love you, Billy. This song is for you, Billy. I love you, Billy. I love you, Billy. I love you, Billy. I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.
Superstar icon. Alright, let's go.
Look at me now, what I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting you things, I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around, can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. To the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping.
Hold on, where's my wish list?
Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting you things, I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around, can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. To the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping.
Hold on, where's my wish list?
Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting you things, I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around,
Can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you.
to the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping.
Hold on, where's my wish list?
Okay, look at me now, what I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting you things, I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around,
Can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though.
to the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping.
Hold on, where's my wish list?
Look at me now, what I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting you things, I've been thinking about you all of the time. Can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though. Even though there's a baby around,
Can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though.
to the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping.
Hold on, where's my wish list? Okay,
Look at me now, what I've been doing, I've been going grocery shopping in town. Getting you things, I've been thinking about you all of the time.
can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though.
Even though there's a baby around,
Can't get out to street number show, and I'll be taking my time when I'm with you though.
to the edge of the night, whatever, I'll be coming back home from grocery shopping.
Hold on, where's my wish list?
Okay, look at me now, look at me now, look at me now. There's a baby around, a baby around. Now whatever, I'll be coming back home.
I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God. I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God. I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.
You made it! Alright, great! The video is ended. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks a lot for subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Without any further ado, let's go! Pretty cool! Make sure you guys comment for more. I know you guys will comment for more.
I am super mega almighty, omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent God.